Alright, y'all, we back. This is a tough one here. Pass is. Pass our outside pad. And proceed to the inside pad. Go up in here and far from the back. Yeah. Alright, y'all, now we gotta clean up all these contact points. All these contact points up in here. And then compress our piston back. Oh, it's already back. Yeah, we're gonna compress it back some more, y'all. Alright. Yeah, we gotta get those compressed back in. Alright, y'all, let me get set up. Alright, y'all, we back. Hope y'all can see that. All we're gonna do is push these caliper boards back in. You take your two pry tools. There's one there. Close that one out. Close them both up. So y'all have no problem with your new one going in. See that? Do one side, and then you do the other side. I gotta get this cleaned up though, so I can get some lube on there. I just wanted to show y'all that. Alright, y'all, we got a pad. This is gonna be our outside pad. For that inside pad. Get all these. I guess they all got them. Alright, y'all. Yeah, they all got the little tab. Okay, I'm gonna put some lube on these and make sure they're good before we start them in. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got our pad. I'll just put some lube on all the contact points. Yeah, some on the back for where the pistons be at. Sorry, y'all, it's cold out here today in Michigan. Like 20 degrees or so, 15 degrees or so. So we're just gonna put some on our back. So slide these up in here. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna use our locking pin to keep it in place so we get the other one in. Alright, y'all. We'll use that to hold that in place. Now we gotta go in here and push the other side back in. Let's see. I can't see it. Like that. Yeah, I messed up, y'all. Let's see. Alright, so we're going here a little more. Tuck it up here. Sorry, y'all. Trying to get it. Work it right here. Over here. Okay, see it's back in a little bit on that one. And we just go here at the top one. And go press that back. See that? Alright, y'all. We got our other pad. See, this should just slide right back up in there. Like this. top one came back out a little bit. Alright, y'all, we got it. We're gonna go ahead and put some brake lube on these pads. Same one as the other one. Top, bottom. It's cold out here, y'all, so I'm trying to get y'all some footage. It's cold out. Alright, y'all, press this up in here. To the other side, I'm gonna fly through, so there ain't gonna be no video for the next video. For the other side, y'all. Yeah, see? Then we put our cradle back on. Cradle back on. A little bit. We got the other pin here. We gotta get our screwdriver a minute to hold it. Alright, we gotta start it. Alright, y'all. Then we take a screwdriver. Hold it down. Hold it in. Just gotta get this lined up, y'all. Alright, y'all. That up here is in. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.